Hello students, in this video we will learn how to solve word problems from the chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. The sum of two numbers is 8 and the sum of their reciprocal is 8 by 15 and find the numbers. See, let us assume the two numbers as a and b. Okay, and it is given the sum of these numbers is 8. So a plus b is 8. Okay, and the sum of their reciprocal. So what is reciprocal? Reciprocal is inverse of the number. It is 1 by a and 1 by b. Okay, it is told the sum of these reciprocals is 8 by 15. So it is 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 8 by 15. We have to find the numbers. So from this one we will take LCM. So it is AB. Now here it is b plus a is equal to 8 by 15. Here we have a plus b is 8. We will substitute here. It is 8 by ab is equal to 8 by 15. 8 and 8 gets cancelled. Here we will get ab is equal to 15. Now here we have two equations. First equation and second equation. We can solve these two equations by using substitution method or elimination method. Here I am using the substitution method. Here I will take a is equal to 8 minus b and I will substitute in this equation. I will get 8 minus b into b is equal to 15. It is 8b minus b square is equal to 15. Here it is b square. Take the terms to the right side, it will be 0 is equal to b square minus 8b plus 15. So here 15 can be written as 5 into 3, right? So we will split this minus 8b in the form of minus 5b minus 3b, okay, plus 15. Now take b common from these two terms, it is b into b minus 5. It is minus 3 into b minus 5. Take minus 3 common from these two. Okay, now it will be b minus 5 into b minus 3. Okay, here if you take b minus 3 is equal to 0, you will get b is equal to 3. Okay, and if you take b minus 5 is equal to 0, you will get b is equal to 5. Okay, see here from this equation we will substitute the b value in this first equation. Okay, from first equation we will get a value. A is equal to 8 minus, see if we take b is 3, it is a will be 5, and if we take b is equal to 5, what value will get? We will get a is equal to 8 minus 5, it is 3. Okay, so the values are a and b are 3 and 5. Okay, so these are the two values. Next one, the fraction becomes 1 by 3 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Okay, so let us assume the fraction as a by b. Here a is numerator and b is denominator. Okay, see what is the first condition given? If 2 is added to numerator and denominator, 2 is added to numerator and denominator, the fraction will be 1 by 3. Okay, it will be 1 by 3. And if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be 2 by 5. We have to find the fraction. Now from the first one we will cross multiply. We will get 3 into 2 is 6 plus 3a is equal to 2 plus b. Okay, here you will get 3a minus b is equal to 2 minus 6, it is minus 4. And from the second one you cross multiply, you will get 15 plus 5a is equal to 6 minus 2b. 6 plus 2b. Okay, here 5a minus 2b is equal to 6 minus 15, it is minus 9. Okay, here you have two equations. You can either solve with substitution method or elimination method. Okay, now here let us use the elimination method. Okay, see in the first equation, the coefficient of b is -1. Okay, the coefficient of b in the second equation is -2. So we will multiply the first equation with 2. Okay, we will get 2 into 3a minus b is equal to 2 into -4. We get here 6a minus 2b is equal to -8. Okay, see now the coefficient of b is same in this equation and in the second equation. So we will take this as third equation. Now we will subtract third equation and second equation. What you will get? 6a minus 2b is equal to -8 and minus of 5a minus 2b is equal to -9. Okay, here 6a minus 5a is what? It is a, and minus 2b plus 2b is what? Minus into minus plus. Okay, it is 0. Okay, is equal to -8, and minus into -9 is +9. -8 plus 9 is 1. Here we got a is equal to 1. Okay, now you substitute this value in first equation. So from first equation, what do you get? 3 into 1 minus b is equal to -4. You will get here minus b is equal to -4 minus 3, it is -7. Here minus and minus gets cancelled. You will get b is equal to 7. Now we got the fraction as 1/7. Okay. Next one. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train had been 6 kilometers per hour faster. Okay. See, we will take a train covered a certain distance. Okay, we will assume the certain distance as d, and we will assume at a uniform speed, at a speed s. Okay, now we know the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, if the train covered a certain distance d in a normal speed and it reaches the destination in t time. Okay, now here what is the first case given? What is the first condition given? If the train had been 6 kilometers per hour faster, that means if the train increases its speed by 6 kilometers per hour. So this, what will be the new speed be? New speed will be original speed plus 6 kilometers per hour. Okay. Then it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. Okay. See here, the scheduled time is t. Okay, so what will be the new time? Okay, see, if the speed is increased by 6 and the time taken would be 4 hours less. Okay, so the new time would be original time minus 4 hours. Okay, now what is the distance here? Distance is equal to speed, s plus 6 into time, it is t minus 4. Okay, now we will solve this. It is st plus 6t minus 4s minus 24. Okay, now we will take this as second equation and this as first equation. Okay, now what is second case? What is second case? If the train were slower by 6 kilometers per hour. So if the new speed is 6 kilometers lesser, 6 kilometers per hour lesser than the original speed. So it is s minus 6. It would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. So the new time will be what? Original time plus 6 hours. Okay. See, if the speed was 6 kilometers per hour lesser, then the time would be 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Okay. Now what is the distance here? Distance is equal to speed into time. S minus 6 into t plus 6. Now you solve this, it will be st minus 6t plus 6s minus 36. Now take this as third equation. Okay. See, the distance is same in all the three cases. Okay. Now we will equate the first equation to second equation. Okay, distance is same. So here we will take ST is equal to ST plus 6T minus 4S minus 24. Okay, we have equated first equation and second equation. So ST and ST gets cancelled. We will get 6T minus 4S minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, now as the distance is same, now we will equate first equation and third equation. We will get ST is equal to ST minus 6T plus 6S minus 36. ST and ST gets cancelled. 0 is equal to minus 6T plus 6S minus 36. Okay, now here we have two equations. Okay, now we will assume as fourth equation and fifth equation. Okay, now we can use the elimination method. Okay, see here we have minus 6T and 6T. Okay, now what we will do is we will add fourth and fifth equation so that T term can be eliminated. T variable can be eliminated. So after we add, we will get 6T minus 4S minus 24 is equal to 0 plus of minus 6T plus 6S minus 36 is equal to 0. Here 6T and minus 6T gets cancelled. Minus 4S plus 6S is 2S. Minus 24 minus 36 is minus 6T is equal to 0. Here you will get S is equal to 60. See, if minus 60 goes to the right side, it will be 60 plus 60 divided by 2, it is 30. We got S is equal to 30. We'll substitute S value in fourth equation. Okay, we will get 6T minus 4 into 30 minus 24 is equal to 0. 6T minus 120 minus 24 is equal to 0. 6T is equal to 144. You'll get 6 into 2, 6 4s are 24. You'll get T is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now what is asked? It is the total length of the journey is asked. So we have to find the total distance of the journey. We have to find D here. Here D is equal to speed into time. Okay, what is speed here? It is 30 kilometers per hour into time is 24 hours. It is 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 720 kilometers is the distance covered. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. See, if I take a 2-digit number 36. Okay, how can I write it? Can I write 3 plus 6? No. So how can I write it? Can I write 30 plus 6? Yes. So if I take A as 3 and B as 6. Okay. Now how can I write AB? How can I write AB? Can I write A plus B? No. Can I write 10A plus B? Yes. So a 2-digit number is represented this way, 10A plus B. And if I interchange the digits, so AB will be BA. Okay. So how can I write BA? Can I write 10B plus A? Yes. Okay. Now we will see the question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. So let us assume the 2-digit number as 10A plus B. And the sum of the digits, A and B are the digits, so sum of them is 12. Okay, and the number obtained by interchanging its digits. Okay, see, if I interchange, the number will be 10B plus A. Okay, and this number exceeds the given number by 18, and this number exceeds the original number. Okay, so this number is greater than the original number 10A plus B by 18. Okay, now we will solve this. 10B minus B is what? 9B, and plus A minus 10B is what? Minus 9A is equal to 18. Now take 9 common. 9 into B minus A is 18. You get B minus A is 2. Okay, 9 into 2 is 18. Now we have here two equations, first equation and second equation. We can either use elimination method or substitution method. Here I will use elimination method. Okay, I will just add first and second equation. I will get a plus b is 12 and b minus a. So I can write minus a plus b is 2. Okay, I'm just adding this 2. Here a and minus a will cancel. B plus b is 2b is equal to 14. I'll get b is equal to 7. And what is a value? A value is from the first equation. From the first equation, a is 12 minus b. Okay, it is 12 minus 7. It is 5. Okay, now what is the number? What is the two-digit number? It is 10a plus b, right? It is 50. 10 into 5, it is 10 into 5 plus 7. It is 50 plus 7, it is 57. Okay, so the two-digit number is 57. Next one. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. Okay, see, a two-digit number 10a plus b, okay, is 4 times 4 into sum of its digits. The digits are a and b. Okay, sum of its digits are a plus b. Okay, and this is equal to, and the two-digit number is also equal to the twice the product of its digits. The two-digit number is equal to twice, 2 times the product of its digits, AB. Okay, now we will solve the first equation. It is 10a plus b is equal to 4a plus 4b. Here I'll get 10a minus 4a is 6a is equal to 4b minus b is 3b. Now you will get b is equal to 6a by 3, it is 2a. Okay, now we got b is equal to 2a and we'll substitute in this equation. Okay, we will get here 10a plus b is what? 2a is equal to 2a into 2a. I'll get 12a is equal to 4a square. Okay, now 12a is equal to 4a into a. A and a gets cancelled here. Here what is the a value? 12 by 4. It is 3. Okay, we got the a value as 3. Now we will substitute in this equation. Okay, we will get b is equal to 2a and b is equal to 2 into 3, it is 6. Okay, so what is the two-digit number? Two-digit number is 10a plus b. Okay, the number is 10 into 3 plus 6. It is 30 plus 6, it is 36. So the two-digit number is 36. Next one. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator. Okay, so let us assume the fraction is a by b. Okay, now a is what? A is numerator and b is denominator. Okay, now the sum of the numerator and denominator, a plus b, is equal to 3 less than twice the denominator. 2 times the denominator is b. Okay, now we will get a plus 3 is equal to 2b minus b is b. Okay, now what is the second condition given? If each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 1. Okay, so what is numerator? It is a. If it is decreased by a 1, it will be a minus 1 divided by b minus 1. So the fraction becomes 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will cross multiply. We will get 2a minus 2 is equal to b minus 1. We will get 2a minus b is equal to minus 1 plus 2. It is 1. Okay. Now here 2a minus b is 1. Here we have two equations, first equation and second equation. You can either use substitution method or elimination method. Okay. Now in the first equation we already have b value. So we will use the substitution method. Okay. You substitute b value in second equation. You will get 2a minus b value is a plus 3 is equal to 1. Here 2a minus a is what? It is a minus 3 is equal to 1. You get a is equal to 4. You substitute in first equation. You will get 4 plus 3 is equal to b. So b is equal to 7. So the fraction is a by b. It is 4 by 7. Okay. Next one. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits. Okay. So the two-digit number is 10a plus b. Okay. And if we reverse the order of the digits, we will get 10b plus a. Okay. This is when we reverse the digits. Okay, and it is told the sum of these two numbers, is 99. Okay, now we will add these two. 10a plus b plus 10b plus a is equal to 99. You get 11a plus 11b is equal to 99. You take 11 common. 11 into a plus b is equal to 99. 11 into 9. So we get a plus b is equal to 9. Okay. And what is the second information given? The digits differ by 3. So the digits a minus b is equal to 3. Okay. We have to find the number. Okay. Now here we have two equations. This is the first and this is the second. We can use any of the methods, elimination or substitution method. So we will use the elimination method. We will add first equation and second equation. You will get a plus b is equal to 9 and a minus b is equal to 3. We are adding this to a plus a is 2a minus b plus b and minus b gets cancelled is equal to 12. You will get a is equal to 12 by 2, it is 6, and what is b value? You substitute a value in the first equation. Okay, you will substitute a value in first equation. From first equation, a plus b is equal to 9. You get b is equal to 9 minus 6, it is 3. So the number is what? So the number is 10a plus b. It is 10 into 6 plus 3. It is 63. Okay. Next one. Places A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. Okay. So let us assume these are the two places, A and B. Okay. These are 100 kilometers away from each other. Okay, and one car starts from A. Okay, this is the one car starts from A. Okay, and another from B at the same time, and another car starts from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speeds, see if the first car A has traveled. Okay, it is traveling, and B also has traveled, okay, in the same direction. Okay, in the same direction, and they meet in 5 hours. They meet here and they both took 5 hours to meet. Okay, now let us assume A traveled with a speed of A kilometers per hour and B traveled with a speed of B kilometers per hour. Okay, and we will assume this extra distance covered by both of them is x kilometers. Okay, now we will take we will find out what is the total distance traveled by A. Total distance traveled by A is what? Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so what is the total distance? See, A has traveled this 100 kilometers. Okay, 100 kilometers plus, and A has traveled this x kilometers also. Okay, is equal to speed. What is the speed A has been traveling? It is A kilometers per hour into what is the time taken by A? It is 5 hours. Okay, so this is the first equation. Okay, and what is the time taken? What is the distance covered by B? Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, see, B has covered this x kilometers per hour, right? X kilometers per hour is equal to speed. Speed B traveled with B kilometers per hour speed. And what is the time taken? It is 5 hours. Okay, so these are the two equations we have. Okay, you subtract these two equations, first equation minus second equation, you will get 100 plus x minus x is equal to 5a minus 5b. You will get here 100 plus x and minus x gets cancelled. 100 is equal to 5 into a minus b. Here you will get a minus b is equal to 100 by 5. It is 20. Okay. Now you take this as third equation. Okay. And what is the other condition given? See, if they travel towards each other. Okay. See, the distance between these two places A and B is 100 kilometers, right? And if they traveled towards each other, see, if A has traveled towards B and B has traveled towards A, and what happened? They meet in 1 hour. So the time taken by them both is 1 hour to meet. Okay, so let us assume they meet at this point. Okay, so A has traveled P kilometers and B has traveled Q kilometers. Let us assume. Okay, now what is the distance traveled by A here? Distance traveled by A here is speed into time. Okay, distance is what? P is equal to what is the speed A has been traveling with? It is A kilometers per hour into time is 1 hour. So this implies P is equal to A. And what is the distance traveled by B? Okay, so B has traveled Q kilometers. Okay, Q is equal to what is the speed? It is B kilometers per hour into time. Time is 1. So here Q is equal to B. Okay, now we will take this as fourth equation and fifth equation. Okay, now we will add these two equations. Okay, what you will get here? P plus Q is equal to A plus B. Okay, see here, P plus Q is nothing but the distance between these two places, right? It is 100 kilometers. So here we get 100 is equal to A plus B. Okay, now take this as sixth equation. Okay, now here we have these two equations. A minus B is 20 and A plus B is 100. Okay, now we will just add these two equations. Okay, third equation plus sixth equation. We are using the elimination method here. You will get A minus B is equal to 20 and A plus B is equal to 100. Okay, we are adding. So A plus A is 2A, minus B and plus B gets cancelled, is equal to 120. You will get A is equal to 120 by 2, it is 60. With 60 kilometers per hour, one car started from A. Okay, and what is B here? What is B here? You substitute in the third equation. You will get, see, A minus B is 20 Okay, from third equation, here 60 minus b is equal to 20. We'll get 60 minus 20 is equal to b. You'll get b is equal to 40. We got here a is 60 and b is equal to 40. These are the speeds of two cars. That's it. We end this session here. Thank you.